My road ended. So now we gotta see where this sucker goes. Yeah, that ain't looking too promising. Where'd my road go? Let's just keep going. See where she goes. This is what you call a minimum maintenance road. Somebody's freshly mowed it over, so. And it's a little muddy. Let's see where she goes. I don't mind hopping up in the middle here. Get out of that rut. Huh. Got a farm up there or what? The old farmhouse is gone. Old barn. I don't think we're gonna make it through. Want to take a peek? Want to take a peek?
Sure.
Come on, frostbite. It's your fat butt. Yeah, last time I just went around because I saw it. I'm like, yeah. How are you on gas?
At some point I gotta get some.
Yeah. I know you're probably good for like 210, 190, 210.
About 190-ish.
You're probably at 150.
Something like that.
Yeah. Butterfly, you still alive? It's like an old barn, but we can't get in. Don't see a door. The road ended. Came across this old farmhouse. The heck is that, Jack? I don't know. Oopsie, too much.
That's your cage.
Huh?
That's your cage.
Interesting. Interesting. Wonder why they would plow this out or cut this down. Find any treasures, Jack?
Big piece of quartz.
Are you a rock hound?
Yep.
Yeah, me too. Must be the old house, huh?
Yeah.
I wonder if I can sneak in there. Where all this concrete came from? Must have been a foundation for something. Front door's over there. The old farmhouse. I'm guessing. Mattress. Watch my step. Bedroom. Carpets down here. Another small bedroom. Maybe an old record player. Old TV. Old chair. Compton for life. Comatone. What does that say? Compton for life. Okay. Watch step, Jack. Upstairs. This is the kitchen. Yep. Old kitchen. I want to go through the floor. Toilet. Do we dare go upstairs, Jack? Why not? Let's go upstairs. Uh-oh, this floor's bad. Big hole. Yeah, big hole in the roof. I think that's about it. Go back downstairs. Interesting, huh?
Yeah, you always wonder how old it is.
Well,
Full 4 inches.
yeah, but look at the lumber. It's not rough sawn, so it's
Exactly.
it's not more than 100 years old.
It's not a full 4x2.
No, I had an old late 1850s house, balloon construction, all that stuff. Yeah, it's new lumber. Even the flooring, Doug fir. They did though. They put the seam right there. Or maybe that's not a seam. Upstairs has a big hole in the floor. Would have been a nice house at one time. Kind of weird having the bedrooms right here. You can't make use of the room.
I don't know if it just started with this little room.
Yeah.
And as you get more kids, you add on. As you get more money.
Well, it had electricity, modern electricity, so. This is the mud room, eh? I found some interesting rocks on my little trips. I found this one. I'm pretty sure it's kind of small, but maybe 2-inch diameter, kind of flattish, but it looks like petrified little mama lizard and baby lizards. Yeah, you can see their eyes and their teeth. Little feet and the little claws. I found that in Wyoming, out in the middle of freaking nowhere. Well, that was a nice little, what would you call that? Distraction, not distraction. Detour.
I found a pretty cool rock up on the Lax a few weeks ago.
Yeah?
Kind of triangle shape. So it was flat. I was going to skip it, and as I picked it up, I'm like, wow, it like fits my fucking hand perfect.
Huh.
I'm wondering if it ain't some kind of tool.
Probably. You know, I've seen these guys on YouTube, they'll go in riverbeds, and they'll find spearheads and arrowheads. And
it's amazing how many they find, too.
oh, yeah. Even one, it's down like in South Carolina or something. Just millions of shark teeth.
Yeah.
I didn't realize this, but sharks, they shed all their teeth like once a year, and they all grow back. But some of them are, you know, huge. Yeah, the one shark will shed like 35,000 teeth in its lifetime. So, kind of interesting. What do you say we get out of here? I know there's a town not too far from here where we can get gas, I think. Franklin. Looks like we're going kind of right through there. Nice little detour we had there.
Yeah, this shit's neat. Too bad most of this you come along is all posted, no private property and shit.
Well, I remember the last time I was there, it said no, I did say road closed. But on Google it shows it going through. But obviously the cornfields have taken over. Okay, let's get out of here. Before Farmer John pulls out a shotgun wants to come after us.
Well, we survived that one day. We went rolling in on that
Yeah.
while he's paying.
Yeah, after that, I've learned, you just you find a minimum maintenance road or whatever, see where it goes. You never know. You never know. Man, I'm out of breath. I am so out of shape. Fat and out of shape. That's me. Should change my name from Frostbite Vinny to Fat Vinny. Fatty. Fatty boy. I want to get up out of this rut. I can't. There we go. Nice detour we had there. I enjoyed that very much. Where does this go? I gotta go left here. Up here. Oh yeah, back on track.